Okay, so chlorophyll is something that changes the color of the leaves. You can stand right next to Mayma, Khadija. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm crushing the leaves, sorting them with their colors. So, you see, this jar is going to be full of red leaves.
And then the other jar will be
So, leaves that have turned into the red, purple color. Alright?
Can I give you some?
Then, no, inshallah, I will do everything. You guys are just going to observe.
I had a leaf, but nobody.
You had brown one, so maybe we'll do like another one for brown. For alcohol, and I'll use like a stick or something to crush it. It helps the color get out. So right now, you see what color is the alcohol? What color is the alcohol? It has no color. It's clear. Very good. I like the choice of words. It's not white. It's clear. It has no color. So what I'm trying to do right now is just sort it out. One is brown. One is like yellowish, dark brown. One is bright yellow. I'm going to mix the brown ones over here. Why? Because I also want you to see what happens to our pure green leaves. This still has some chlorophyll. It probably didn't get enough. It probably got a lot of sun actually. That's why there is green in it. Do you guys remember what's the food for these leaves?
Sun.
Sun.
And
right?
water. And water. And it makes
Water.
into sugar to help the tree.
Very good. But these leaves probably didn't get enough sun. That's why they started changing color. The reason we are doing this experiment is I want us to find out the real color of these leaves. Can we tell or can we make a prediction? What was the color of these leaves before they turned red and purple? Raise your hand.
Green.
Green, okay. Green, maybe. Light green, dark green?
Yeah, regular green. Yeah.
No.
Like a bright green.
Okay, so your prediction is if it was green, maybe it was light green, some of you say dark green. We will find out in a little bit, inshallah. So, I am going to put the rubbing alcohol. This is alcohol. So, we're going to observe quietly, and I'll take questions at the end, inshallah. So,
Me too. I can't see.
all right, all I'm doing is, for here, you can pause the video. Alcohol, making sure it's covered. There's nothing to see. I'm holding it. Can you see it now? So, there should be no issues, inshallah. All I'm doing is just putting the alcohol in it. We want to observe the true colors of these leaves.
That's doing nothing.
Not yet, but it will. So we are not going to stay here for a very long time because we want to do the experiment and take it downstairs. But in our class, we'll leave the leaves in 2B because I'm not going to be here tomorrow. But we'll leave the leaves in 2B so we can see what the alcohol does. The alcohol is not going to change the color right away. It will take some time. What we just want to observe right now is if it does something. The hot water will help the leaves release its color. So I'm going to put, if you can't see, I'm not doing anything special. Just putting hot water in the tray. It will help the leaves release the color, the true colors.
That's glass, so how is it going to use?
It's glass, so it's fine. If it was plastic, it would probably melt. That's why I chose glass as the material. Remember we did materials in science? So glass is something that can,
It can like hold heat.
yes, it can hold high.
Right now, yesterday, we bought some leaves, we put it in a jar, and then we put some alcohol, then we put a paper towel in, and then we left it, and so today we are seeing what happened. Right now what happened is that the color got on the tissue.
Good.
So today we're trying to see what happened, and right now the color has got on the tissue and it's trying to lose its color.
Where did the color come from?
The color came from the leaf, and the leaf dissolved into the tissue. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hisham, and we are doing an experiment. So yesterday we put in leaves and we crunch them up. So now we can put them and then we put leaves in the jars, and then we mix them, and then it was in the tray, and we put hot water. And then we put alcohol. So before the hot water thing, we put in alcohol into the leaves that were in the jars, and then we put them into the tray of hot water. And then we waited till the next day, which is today, and then we see that the also we put in paper towels, and now we've seen that the paper towels have done the colors.
Yeah, change the color. Bilal, would you want to add something? Sana, would you like to add something?
No, I would not. Well, what we did was we put alcohol in, and then we took a spoon and mixed it. The paper changed color. The chlorophyll went out, then the chlorophyll was blended with the water, and then the coffee filter, it absorbed the water to make the color. I just said it. Okay.
Answer his question, please. Do you know what happened there?
It's because all of the color from the chlorophyll goes into the alcohol, and then the alcohol gets into the paper, just like how if you make a water spill and then clean it up with paper. When you have plain water with a color, like for example, if you have plain water and you're putting your paintbrush in the tissue will absorb it, and then it will have its color.